What?
If we have to go up in our beds, would we have our iPads up there?
No.
Boom. Turn it. Boom, chocolate. I love my iPads upstairs.
How's dinner, guys? And Ben, you do know that your brothers love you so much, right?
No. I don't love him. Boom, boom, boom. Guys, he tricked me.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Go sit down, okay?
So what if he tricks you? He's still a good brother. No, he isn't. Ow!
Who loves Henry?
Not me.
Oh, that's not nice.
I do. He hates Ben.
No, he doesn't. Ben, look at me. He loves you so much.
No, I'm not.
Henry!
Oh, maybe my head will get stuck in there. Excuse me. Mom's videoing that.
Ben, sit down and eat. Ben.
He's trying to make a new hat.
Oh, goodness.